Look no further than the 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLS class. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Let your dreams of grand luxury and rugged capability come alive in this superb GLS 4MATIC SUV. Full-size spaciousness sets the stage for premium comfort, while brawny muscle, driver assist tech, and all-weather capability have your back on every adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, wood grain interior trim, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera. Don't miss the opportunity to enjoy the delights of grand luxury in this GLS 4MATIC SUV. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.